IT services for healthcare. Hello, my name is Gene Mobley and I'm with Mitchell Consulting Group. I want to take a minute and just kind of talk about IT services for healthcare. As we all know, healthcare is a very unique field. It has a wide range of practices in it, from hospitals, obviously doctors, you have specialists, you have all these types of things that all kind of fall under this healthcare brand. And with healthcare, obviously, one of the most important things is privacy. So we all know HIPAA, and we understand that HIPAA is out there and that we have to be HIPAA compliant. And when you're talking about IT services in today's world with EMR, IT is very much responsible to make sure that you are HIPAA compliant. So when you work with an IT service provider, it's very important that you work with somebody that understands the HIPAA regulations. They may not have to be an expert on it, but they can at least help guide you to ensure that you're staying HIPAA compliant as the regulations change and move, and the needle is always moving when it comes to security of data. So that's one important thing. And I think another thing that managed service providers, and I know myself, are finding in today's world is the advent of Teledoc, right? So with the pandemic coming and everybody, not wanting to come into the office, couldn't leave their houses, the lockdowns that took place, Teledoc became a real thing. And in my opinion, is going to be staying around for a long time to come for as many things as possible. One, a doctor can get more done. The patients like it because they don't have to leave the home. So as Teledoc continues to rise, you don't want to be the company that's left behind doing it an old-fashioned way or not doing it as good as somebody else does it. So there's certain tools and things that are out there that you would like to partner with somebody that's providing your IT services that can help guide that. One thing that I tell all my clients, my goal is to help, decrease their costs and improve efficiency. And with Teledoc, there's a major difference between some of the old school technologies that were initially people started using at the beginning of the pandemic and some of the new things that are out there. For instance, I have a telecom partner that I work with that they provide video conferencing in 4K. It's the best thing out there, and clients like things like that. So if you're in the healthcare industry and you're working with an outsourced provider and you're just not sure if they're a good fit or if they're not asking the right questions, I'd love the opportunity to talk to you, see if we can help. I tell every client, I want to meet with you. My initial meeting is to find out if we're a good fit for you and you're a good fit for us. So if you're a healthcare provider, you have any questions, please reach out. Gene Mobley with Mitchell Consulting Group.